to kind of crowd in on the table rights.
Hello.
Hi.
My name's Cindy.
John. Nice to meet you.
Hi, John.
Yeah.
Okay, so I understand that we're here today to do an intake to set up services with your children so you can start supervised visits. Is that correct?
It sounds right, yeah.
Okay, all right. Well, what we're going to do today is I'm just going to ask you some questions. This is called the intake process. A little bit about your background, why you're here, a few information about the children. Okay? So just answer honestly as you can.
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And if you have any questions along the way, feel free to stop me.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. John, what is your full name?
It's John Smith. John Q. Smith.
All right, John. Do you go by any other names?
Johnny. That's it.
Is that your preferred name to be called?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay, Johnny. What is your date of birth?
7182.
And your approximate age?
30.
And your race?
I would say Middle Eastern.
Okay. What is your current address?
1213 Greenwood Court.
And is that in Wichita?
Oh, yeah. Wichita.
And your zip code?
67003.
And what is the current phone number to reach you at?
953-7826.
And is that also your cell number?
Yeah, that works.
And do you have a work number?
Yeah, I'm not really working right now.
Okay. Do you have any significant other, wife, girlfriend that's in the picture as well?
Well, I mean, I'm separated with my wife, but so I have a girlfriend now.
And what's your girlfriend's name?
Christy.
And who do you want to list as your emergency contact?
Probably her is fine.
Okay, and what's Christy's number?
723-9846.
And what are your children's names?
Samantha and Chris.
And is Chris a boy or a girl?
He is a boy.
And what is Samantha's date of birth?
April 2nd, 2002.
And Chris's date of birth?
November 15th of 2006.
And you said you're not really working right now, so you're not employed, correct?
Yeah, I'm looking. I was laid off from going.
And are you currently receiving any public assistance at this time?
Yeah, I think I'm getting some assistance, some cash assistance.
Okay. Are you a student?
No, I'm not. Thought about it, but.
Okay. So tell me just a little bit about why you were referred to this agency.
Well, they said if I want to have like visitation rights with my kids, since separated, and because of I guess past history, I needed to come in here and talk with you guys. So I want to see my kids. So it seemed like a year or so.
Okay, so you mentioned some past history. Can you expand on that a little bit?
I mean, I know we had some arguments, like me and my wife, when we were getting separated, and I think one of the kids like ran away or something for a while.
And was that the younger one or the older
the
one?
oldest.
Oldest.
Yeah.
So it was Samantha.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any current or past restraining orders, no contact orders, protection from stalking orders?
There's not that I know of. I mean, I haven't heard of anything, so I mean, I assume they tell you about that. If you have.
Yeah, you should have got a notice.
Yeah, I didn't see anything.
Okay. Was there any domestic violence between you and your estranged wife?
She probably would say stuff, but I mean, we just have had some arguments, you know, and
Were they verbal or physical?
no, they were just like, I mean, I think it was just one night, and we were both like drunk, you know, and I don't know. I think she like fell over and said I did pushed her, but that's not how it went down or anything. So that was just like one time thing.
So there were no weapons ever used?
No,
Okay.
no.
Have you ever been involved with any past support agencies?
You know, the workforce center, you know, I mean, I've been going to them, checking it out, because to see if I can get some, it's like some help with resume and stuff, and see if there's any jobs. They got job postings, and, you know, so, yeah, both of them.
Have you ever been involved with like DCF, UFIL maybe, TFI, DECA?
No, I think this is probably the first time we got any others.
Okay.
Any other stuff. So.
Do you know of any mental health mental health professionals that are involved in the case or have been in the past?
I don't think so. I mean, I did some counseling when we were separating because my wife's Catholic, and or I guess she's still technically my wife, but not really. So, but she's a Catholic, and so she wanted us to go to like this counseling with her priest or something.
Okay, so you just went through the church?
Yeah.
Not an agency?
Yeah,
okay.
I think so.
Okay, so right now you guys are separated, correct?
Uh-huh.
How long has your relationship, how long have you guys been married?
4.5, I think. Yeah.
And when did you guys separate?
It's been about a year and a half ago.
With you or her, has there been any legal or criminal action in the past or pending?
I don't think legal other than just filing for divorce. She has filed for divorce. I don't think that's it.
No parole officers, probation officers, anybody else involved in that aspect?
No, I don't think so. Like, do you guys like see my record and stuff, or like if I had one?
We can, yeah.
Okay.
We can pull it up.
I was curious.
So there's no pastor?
No, shouldn't be.
Never been arrested?
No.
Okay. Health information. Is there any, because you're in a supervised setting, we need to know if there's any type of medication that you're on. And why I ask this is there's some medication that can also portray the effects of being under the influence.
Okay.
So we go off of visual. So if we feel that you're under the influence, so if you're on any type of medication, it's good to let us know, so that way we're not canceling the visit, because obviously we don't want you around your children, and in a supervised setting, you know, it can be dangerous to them.
So are you going to do like a home visit too, or is this the only one? Or
the visits will actually be in the agency, so you'll arrive here for the
I see
supervised
what you mean.
visits.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you guys are going to come to my house and like.
No.
Okay.
No.
All right. Okay, and then you said, okay, what was that? Of drugs? No.
Any medication?
I think it has some pain pills.
Okay.
Because
And what are those?
my back. Yeah, I can't remember right now. I have to
Okay.
give it to you, so
Okay.
I don't remember what they are.
Yeah, just let us know. Has there ever been any concern with substance abuse, alcohol abuse?
I mean, no, my wife and I used to drink, occasionally.
Just occasional drinking?
Yeah, I mean, nothing real serious, like I mentioned that one night, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
No illegal drugs?
No. I mean, I smoked pot, when I was in school a long time ago.
Okay. Almost done.
Yeah.
Do you know if your children have any special restrictions, allergies, medications?
I think Sam has asthma, and Chris has diabetes.
And are any of them on medication?
I mean, I think that she has inhalers. And he's got like insulin, so.
Okay.
Mm.
And besides the normal, obviously age-appropriate behaviors,
Uh-huh.
do you know if your children have any behavior problems, any diagnosis, any?
I don't that I know of. I don't think so. I think, yeah, I don't really notice him doing, haven't noticed him doing too many crazy things. He's gonna be okay, I think. The last you saw him, who knows? Now, I haven't seen him in a year, so.
Oh, you haven't seen him in a year?
Yeah, it's been a year.
Oh,
I
wow.
haven't seen him in a year, so, yeah.
Have you talked to him on the phone? Have you had any type of contact?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, like phone, like maybe just talking on the phone, you know?
Okay.
Like that, just like relief.
Good.
Yeah.
Do you know if there's been any history of violence or abuse towards the children?
No, I don't think so. No, not for myself.
Do you know if your children witnessed the parental conflict, the arguments?
I think so. Yeah, the one of them ran off.
And they only witnessed the verbal arguments or any type of physical arguments?
Yeah, it's just, I think she fell over and hit a lamb.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are your children's interests or activities?
I think.
To the best of your knowledge, obviously
Yes,
it's been a year.
Sam,
So.
she likes volleyball, and Chris likes to play soccer, and we both like to draw and read and play video games. I think we both like to do that. Yeah, pretty good.
Okay. Do you know of any topics that could be traumatic or upsetting to the children that's talked about?
I mean, I don't know. Their grandparents died. They didn't like that, so that kind of disturbed them.
Okay.
So,
Okay, Johnny, is there any additional information that we need to know about?
I think that's pretty good. Just like, so how long would this process take, do you think, or this evaluation, or what?
We do the intakes with both parties.
Mm-hmm.
So we're doing your intake, then we'll complete the intake with your wife.
Yeah.
After that is completed, then we contact both of you and we start supervised visitation. Okay?
Okay.
And it'll be once a week for 2 hours. You'll come, visit with the children, they'll leave, and then you'll be able to
Okay.
leave after that.
That sounds
Okay? Do you have any other questions for me?
No, that's pretty good, I think.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I will let you know as soon as
Yeah.
we hear from your wife.
So I appreciate it. Thanks for
Okay.
your help.
Thank you.
Mhm.